Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and a change that will probably be unnoticed for a lot of people, but some of you might actually see the difference. Until now, for most countries, when you actually went to Google, it would default to Google that has to do with the country where you live in. So in my case, Canada was google.ca. And of course, in the United States, you guys are in google.com. And depending on where you are in the world, well, the ending was a indication of what country you're in. Now, Google says it will actually move away from this, and that eventually in the next few weeks and months, everything will default to google.com. So is that going to have an impact on you? Probably not, as these URLs will probably be kept so that not too many changes happen. They will just redirect you back to .com Google. The Google did say that there could be a few little things like some of your profiles, maybe things that you've changed or customized could change in for that reason, though, so that you might have to reconfigure your favorites the way that the customization of Google was. But for the rest, pretty much most people will not even see a difference in all of this. It's not totally clear why Google wants to do this, but one thing they did say is that it doesn't change the way Google works around the world in the different countries. So depending on where you are, it will follow the same rules, the same way of working, and will just obey the same practices and business practices that each country has. It's just that google.com will now be a default at some point. So some of you might see it already, but for the most part, it will appear and happen in the next weeks and months. So it'll be interesting to see when mine actually goes to .com at some point. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.